Be a sad day to be stuck in a classroom.
Yeah.
Or at work, indoors.
Yeah, something.
Let's not think about it.
The last several days have been, I could have recorded this on Monday, essentially, and had a couple of days off.
Don't give me ideas.
Yeah, it's not changed at all. Temperature 2 degrees warmer today than yesterday, and 1 degree warmer this morning than yesterday. That's it. Otherwise, things are exactly the same. We told you earlier in the week, though, when this blocking pattern, we call it, sets up in the atmosphere, this is what you see. The weather just doesn't change. But it is going to change as we head toward the weekend, unfortunately, because it's been so nice the last couple of days. It would be nice to have this pleasant of weather Friday, Saturday, Sunday, when there will be tens of thousands of people converging on our fair city for the Austin City Limits Music Festival. It'll be okay, but it's going to be a little bit hot if you're out there in the direct sun watching the shows during the day. Now, the evenings are just going to be fantastic. Coming up at 6 o'clock tonight, we'll have a specific ACL forecast for you, but we've been blogging about it every day, and so you can go to KXN.com and read the latest on what our thinking is. We are having to add a slight chance of rain into the festival forecast for late Sunday, about the time the Eagles are on stage, but it's a slight chance. Not anything to get excited about quite yet, we don't believe. All right, lows this morning. Haven't these mornings been unbelievable? 20 degrees cooler than average again today in most locations. 42 is actually 23 degrees below average out at the airport. So low that it was a record breaker this morning, third day in a row. 40s to the east and 40s to the west. Just about everybody started the day in the 40s. We've ended up this afternoon with clear sunny skies and 81 degrees right now. 72 is our 8 p.m. forecast, 64 degrees at 10 o'clock tonight. Out there right now, upper 70s and low 80s, depending on where you live. In Austin, skies are clear and 81, only 26% humidity. 81 degrees also at the airport with a clear sky and no wind at all. The sun up until 7:09 tonight. Pollen count not changing, unfortunately. In fact, well, it did change. Ragweed got worse today, and yesterday was the worst day so far. So today is now 7:13. That's high. Mold still high. Fall elm still medium. I don't think we're going to see any change tomorrow. Temperatures around Texas, 80s just about everywhere. 79 in Houston, 78 Corpus, 79 in San Antonio, the exceptions. Skies cloud-free across the Lone Star State. You can see a storm system spinning around out here over the west. Tornadoes in Arizona yesterday. Snow in the Sierra. That's a cold upper-level low. Another one in the northeast and New England. And in the middle of the country, things aren't changing because of that ridge of high pressure that's been blocking the eastward advance of this low. That is changing, though. Here comes the low. It's going to kick out up into the plains, but a trough develops down into Texas this weekend. So what that will mean for us is a very warm weekend as that low develops and induces a southerly flow, but it could also mean some rain for us late Sunday. Right now, less than a 20% chance. Again, nothing to get too excited about. Then the weather pattern turns pretty stable next week. A subtropical storm Otto formed today, likely to transition into a tropical storm, meaning a warm core storm system with the low-level circulation over the next 12 to 24 hours. But he is going to head on out to sea. Okay, temperatures tonight. We're going to fall into the 40s, maybe even upper 30s in the coldest locations in the area, like the airport. And then tomorrow, high temperatures in the mid-80s. Tonight in Austin, 52. Skies clear, east-southeast wind. Let's go 86 tomorrow with plenty of sun. Let's get you to the 7-day forecast. Here comes the hotter weather. 88 Friday, 89 Saturday. Mornings are still nice, and the evenings will be just super as soon as the sun gets lower in the sky. There's that isolated shower or thunderstorm chance late Sunday and a 20% chance on Monday.